Hi, my name is Shubham and I come from a company called Shrivatman Fabrics. We are a 30-year-old company and we are involved in the trading of fabrics. We are working with more than 100 factories right now. We use more than 4,000 SKUs, ranging from all categories for men, women, kids, for formal wear, daily wear, party wear, thick wear, bridal wear. So we want to provide for our customers the best range of fabrics in one shop.
Okay, it's very great to hear about you, sir. Would you love to talk about the challenges and opportunities this industry have?
Yes, so the industry is very fragmented, and we, as a supplier to various brands and designers, have to make sure that all the products that we keep are of highest quality and the best price that we can offer to everyone. And also, the biggest challenge of MOQs and lead time is a very big challenge. So that's why we have to make sure that the products that we keep are relevant for the customer, that we can offer the no MOQ, no lead time facility to our client.
So, you talked that you want to keep the products very, comforted with the customer. So,
Yeah.
how are you doing that?
So we are regularly taking feedback from all the different layers of the industry, be it fabric suppliers, be it garment factories, be it brands, be it designers, be it directly the owners themselves, like what they want to wear, what they are seeing on internet, and how the trend is going forward. So we try to keep the fashion intact in our catalogs so that it's relevant for the fashion trend.
That's very impressive. So, sir, can you talk about a little about the sustainability and innovation?
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So this year we have launched a new AI tool called FalTech. So basically, this is a tool where anyone in the fashion industry can come and create their own fashion material catalogs. And how this would help is now the people can come to our tool. I can give you a demo as well.
Yeah, sure.
So the people can come to our website and they can use our materials or any of their suppliers' materials and design digitally without any sourcing physical materials or even going to a tailor to get it stitched for their sampling process. So we are trying to eliminate the physical sampling waste and the time it takes to create a collection to curate a collection. So this is how we are trying to get to the innovation sector as well as sustainability sector last year.
So, I think this is something out of the box. So, we would love to see if you can give us a demo.
Sure, sure. I would love to give you a demo if you can come to our end. So we've also launched this try-on sleeves for all our customers. So basically, the idea is that all the materials that we source is available on our platform, and you can choose any of the materials that you want to source. For example, you like these linen-based linen and fabric. So it's like a embroidered fabric on a linen. So all the designs that we are making right now. For example, you like the design, and also all the different colors that we have in this particular fabric. And for every fabric that you can see that there are technical properties also there. So maybe it's if it's a knitted or a woven fabric, the blend of the fabric, if it's a stretchable or not, if it's transparent or not, the weight of the fabric. So everything is there. And why is this important? Because when we pass on these parameters along with the fabric, the fall and feel of the garment that the AI produces will be much more realizable in the real life and it won't be just a content. Let me give you an example of how we can do it. Let's say we want to create a so we have a very big list for silhouette generation for different people in the fashion industry for all the designers and the brands. So we can play around and create infinite content in a very short span of time. It creates super high relevant catalog for the content. So let me give an example. For example, I chose the linen and we want to create a linen. So we have a very highly curated list of different types of parts of a garment that the user can create. For example, they can curate the neckline, they can curate the sleeves, let's do a butterfly suit. Let's say let's do a different body pattern. Maybe let's do some base to a paper bag. For example, these different types of silhouettes can be played around once we do that, you can and you can do a virtual try on. So if it's like a showroom environment, you can also do a virtual try on. Or you can also try it on some of the model that we have on our website. And then after that, just we can design. And within 30 seconds, we would have the concept ready. And using this, any brand or any fashion designer can create hundreds and thousands of concepts and curate the collections that sells till the end. And no text. Let's just wait for 10 seconds and I'll show you the results. And maybe you like it.
Yeah. So it's something like very innovative as well. And I literally something out of the box and which I all
Yeah, let's see. So
Oh
this
my
is the final results. So we gave them the butterflies, then the cutouts, and the necklines, and the length of this. So and even the small waistband that we had given. This is how we are helping designers to get their thought process in actual real life concept that can be actually manufactured and get in.
So it's like a perfect guide to sustainability and innovation.
How we want to
Yeah.
approach the fashion.
It is very expensive and it was like mind blowing. Okay, so with the last question, I would love to ask that what is the future of fashion?
So we would want to, the biggest challenge the case industry is that we would want to see that there is very sustainable development so that we create in such a way that everything gets self. So that's the vision. And we will have the fabric or fashion. So that's how we would like to complement the industry via the school and our offering on things. And this is how we got to
Like perfect. So how has been your mind so far?
It's been great. It's been great. That we are and we would maybe love to participate in the exhibition every year. Next year the responsibility.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.